The Honda CRF450X is a renowned off-road motorbike, boasting 16 victories at the Baja 1000, and is recognized for its versatility and durability as a trail bike. In 2025, Big Red mostly concentrated on enhancing full-size motocross and cross-country racing motorcycles, resulting in little modifications for the CRF450X, which only received new radiator shroud graphics. Do not be deceived by the CRF450R style visuals. The 2025 CRF450X is distinctly designed for the rigors of off-road racing. Consider the Baja 1000. Consider the Work Series. Indeed, it utilizes the Unicam engine from the CRF-R series. Nevertheless, this machine is equipped with a 6-speed wide-ratio transmission and steering optimized for off-road performance. It is equipped with an 18-inch rear tire, a side stand, hand guards, customized ECU settings, an enhanced fuel tank, and a skid plate that maintains its dominance in off-road conditions. Additionally, it complies with California's green sticker regulations. This is not merely a dirt bike, it is an extraordinary dirt-busting machine. The CRF450X's primary advantage is its legality for off-road use in all 50 states throughout the year, making it eligible for California's green sticker program. Notwithstanding the limitations imposed by severe standards, the CRF450X generates an impressive 41.1 horsepower and 30.2 pounds-ft of torque at the rear tire on our in-house dynamometer. The gearbox features a wide-ratio 6-speed configuration, and the clutch operates via cable actuation. The suspension responsibilities are assigned to a Showa 49mm coil spring fork and Showa shock, both affixed to an aluminum twin-spar frame. The braking system mirrors that of full-size motocross and cross-country racers, featuring a Nissan dual-piston front caliper that engages a 260mm disc, and a Nissan single-piston rear caliper coupled with a 240mm disc. Dunlop's Geomax MX52 tires are fitted on the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels. The 2025 Honda CRF450X is currently available, with a proposed retail price increase of $100. Additional details regarding pricing and specifications are provided below. The inclusion of 6 speeds in the transmission, compared to the standard 5 on an MX bike, offers enhanced mobility. This bicycle is capable of managing both single-track riding and expansive Baja excursions. The electronic start mechanism guarantees seamless ignition. It powers the clutch side of the crankshaft, ensuring optimal lubrication for starter gears while facilitating a compact engine with a robust, short crank. The Unicam design by Honda produces a lightweight, compact engine. The incorporated valve angle optimizes the combustion chamber for enhanced ignition, while the lower camshaft position contributes to a more compact design and reduces the center of gravity. The motorbike features a lightweight, rigid, twin-spar aluminum frame that offers superior handling. It is broader than the conventional MX frame to accommodate the 6-speed transmission.